Are you 25 and your ankle clicks like this?
Then you are normal. I promise you are normal. For the most part, any kind of clicking, popping, or creaking in your joints as you move them around is known as crepitus. And do you know who experiences crepitus? Literally almost everybody. I'm not kidding. In some cases, as many as 99% of healthy people experience crepitus in one joint or another. And the sad part is, it's theorized that the only reason crepitus is even associated with discomfort and pain in the first place is because there are so many people out there that say stuff like, oh, you better get that checked out, or oh, that doesn't sound good. In this life, we have plenty of things to worry about. This is not one of them.